What if I tell you, say you feel make 5,000 naira using just your phone? I mean, just your phone, 5,000 naira in a day. Yes, it's very possible. I'm going to show you everything. So watch this video from now till the very end. No skip, no they skip, no they say make I go here, go there, because you might miss a whole lot. Maybe just one tiny information where you suppose hear, you go miss them. All right. So I'm going to show you how it is done. I will take you through the steps. I'll show you how it's done on my laptop shortly. All right, but before then, let me introduce myself. My name is Bede Banks. What me I they do be say I they guide you on how to make legitimate money online, or to help you make some things, to do some things easily online. So that's why I'm here. But a little disclaimer though, I no be financial expert. I'm not a financial advisor. And the time where you feel they watch this video, feel be like 5 years from now. So you need to do your due diligence test, due diligence research on this in order to know whether the things they work that time. Do you understand? So because waiting at the talk here and I just plain truth, I don't go hide anything from you. So let's go to my system. So I will show you how you can actually make 5,000 naira every day using just your phone. Let's go. So now the website be this, we don't enter the website. As you see am now, the website where we say you go fit make 5,000 naira daily using your phone be this. Now I know sir they open up for my laptop, but you can still open it on your phone. It's actually very simple. Now you can open it on your laptop or your phone, nothing. But why you go fit use your phone be say, aside from opening it on your laptop, all right, you feel use and do what you want use. Now I go show you. Now first of all, you come to the website. The link is in the comment section. You see it in the that's the description box. Go there, click it, and that's the only way if they support me. Fine. Now affiliate link. When you register, I go feel make something small from it. Simple. You know they pay me for this information, but just go there, support me by clicking the link, and then you jump on this website. All right, so this is the website V2 Express, and when you're on this website like this, you will come to the login area and log in. Now, I don't already log in, so I'm just going to show you. But first of all, you register, because if you never log in, if you never register, you no go fit log in. So you come to the register area. So this is the registration page. You put your full name, put your username here, email, phone number, address. Because I don't register, so I know we'll go through them again. You put your address here, and if because you're going to be clicking the link, I think it will come up here like this. So it's optional though. That's a referral username. Then the password. Referral username for me now Bitbanks. All right, Bitbanks. That might referral username Bitbanks. The same name we they for this channel. I mind if you know. Yeah, you can put it at Bitbanks. Then password, and then you confirm password. Click I agree to terms and conditions. Then you register. All right. So let's just go to the website itself. Let's go to the website itself. All right. So once you are able to, once you click on register, you will register, and then you'll be able to log in straight away, and it brings you to the dashboard. Before I log in, because I'll try and log in on my dashboard, so you see what login the dashboard looks like. But first of all, let me just show you how you can make money with this website here. It's basically VTU. VTU means virtual top up. Virtual top up. Data, buying data, airtime, those are virtual top up. So you're topping up your data or airtime, all right? So basically that's how it works. Now, if you come here, you will see that they sell data for MTN, then they sell data for Airtel, then they sell for Glo and Nine Mobile. All right. I would like make you concentrate on MTN and Airtel, to be honest with you. All right. Don't be say the other one's no good, but we're talking about how you can make profit and how you'll be able to make that 5,000 naira daily. So in doing that, I would say concentrate on MTN and Airtel, because a lot of people they even use MTN and Airtel. Really, a lot of people they buy their data more. From my own research, now MTN me they use. All right, and they use the other network. So I use this and I buy data like on a daily basis. All right, so when you so you see, now look at the data for MTN, for example. You see the 2 gig. Now they have a whole lot 50, 500, 1 gig. They have, and all of them for 30 days. You know, say for MTN, they get the one they call 2 days. 2 days will be 2.5 gig. A lot of people be say they use that sometimes, all right, because it gives you 2.5 gig for 2 days. But then they last because 2 days and all said you say the thing don't expire. So if you're gonna get 2 gig for 30 days for 480, see here, that's it. I don't know if you can see clearly. 2 gig for 480 30 days, 2 gig, another 2 gig here for 486, and that one for 500. All right, so that's for 30 days. Now let me take you to this page, MTN. If you go to MTN page, how much can you get 2 gig in MTN? Currently, I cannot see because I looked through their website and I can't really see where 2 gig dey. The nearest now this 1.5 gig where they here, 1.5 gig, then this 3 gig. All right, I can't really see anywhere where 2 gig there. But if you even look at the 1.2 gig now 1000, look at this 3 gig now 16. There was a time they were selling 2 gig for like 1200. Do you understand? 2 gig. But now let's look at Airtel. Airtel, go look at what they are selling 2 gig for. This is right here. Their 2 gig is 1200 for 30 days. You can see here. All right, so this is actually like the price. If you go to a lot of platforms, this is how much you can buy data for. 2 gig is that for 30 days, or 2 gig for 30 days is usually like from 1000 and above. All right, so if you're gonna get this data at this rate of 480 or 486 from this platform, and you're now selling, you're reselling, or you tell people that you can get data for them. All right, you can advertise it on your WhatsApp. On your WhatsApp, you have a lot of contacts and you're not using them to make money. Let them know, how you can write WhatsApp status. People will view through your, how people they go through WhatsApp status. You put it there, 2 gig for so amount. You can even put 1000 naira, all right, or even put 900 or put 800. It all depends. But if you're buying it for less than 500 and you're selling for like 1000, remember that outside there, they are selling for like 1.2. Of course, I don't show you Airtel already. Forget about this 4 gig YouTube, blah, blah, blah. All these ones, nah, follow. All right, concentrate on the main gig, which is the 2 gig that you're buying for 30 days. That's 1.2. If Airtel is selling 1.2 for 1.2 for 2 gig, and you're going to be selling for 1000, people will want to buy from you now. Reason now. People go want buy from you for that 1000 naira or 900. Remember, you're going to be making 500 if you're selling at 1000 naira and you're buying it for less than 500. Do you understand? That's like 500 plus profit. Imagine that you're able to sell this to 10 people just in a day, which is actually like the least. That's the least. That's the least. 10 people will buy from you in a day, and you come to this website and you buy for them. Immediately you buy for them. All right, you buy it and then you top up, you put their number and then they receive it. There's even a receipt generated. All right, first of all, more login, make it not be like say we just the to talk, make we log in so that you understand how this thing works. All right. All right, so this is the login page. All right, so let me try and log in to my all right, so let me log in. Okay. Okay.
So you like this video, right? I mean, at this point, you like what I'm showing you. If you do, why not just show it by liking the video? Click the like button and share this video. Also subscribe, because that's actually how you can say thank you to me for bringing this information to you. So let's head back to the system.
Now the page be this, the dashboard. Immediately when you don't log in, and it will bring you to this page. You see it here. Welcome to V2 Express, and this is where you can fund your wallet. When you click here, you'll be able to fund your wallet. Now look at the left side of the dashboard. You see buy data, buy airtime, utilities, bills. Means that you can actually pay for DSTV subscription and bill payments. You can fund your wallet also through here. You can fund the pay stack. I can see automated bank transfer, 15 naira charge, then we'll charge you 15 naira if you're using transfer. Then this fund with pay stack, fund with coupon, pricing, and all of that. So when you come to all right, let me close it. So when you come to buy data, it shows you the same thing. Why I show you from their front page. That's exactly what it's going to show you, meaning that you're ready to buy data, and this is it. You can see codes for data balance. All right, if you want to, it provided here. Now, so you select the network MTN. This is how you buy data for people. People say, okay, I want data. Buy 2 gig data for me for 1000 naira. You just come here on your phone, sir. You can access this thing on your phone. You buy it for them, and then you select SME. They have SME, so that's what you're going to choose, SME, and you put the people phone number here. You put the number here. All right, then you select the plan. See all the plan, 2 gig, 480. You can see here is
Now you dey here like this, 2 gig 480, and you scroll down, bypass a number verification because it's matter. Then you click here to buy. It takes you to where you make payment. And of course, you've already funded a wallet, so means that the balance here you will see. If somebody say you don't fund your wallet with that amount, and then you'll be able to buy data for people. Remember, if you're buying data for less than 500 naira for like 10 people, that's like 5,000 naira. Maybe like 480, 4,800 naira because it's at 480 naira. This smart thing. So you'll be able to buy that and you would have profit of what? For 5,020 naira. Correct? Yeah, so that's it. So that's actually how it works. And you have contacts. So asking me how am I going to sell to people is one of the most difficult questions, because to me it's so simple. You have contacts on your phone, you put on status, you put on a WhatsApp status, and people watch your WhatsApp status. So why not put it there on a regular? Now your market, put on there. Say I'm selling MTN data 2 gig for 1,000 naira, 2 gig for 900, depending on how comfortable you are to sell. When people look at it and say, I've been buying for 1.2 from here before. I've been buying from with 1.1 or 1.3 for 2 gig, and this person they sell two the same 2 gig for 1,000 naira or 900. They will want to buy from you. All right, that's actually how it works, and that's how you can make 5,000 naira or a little bit more using your phone on on a daily basis using this platform. Now, another thing is that's not the only way you can actually make money. Remember, there's airtime here, so but we're not talking about airtime. That's not the only way to make money on this platform. There's another way. So another way. Let's go to the dashboard. All right, let's go to the dashboard. So I show you that you can actually make money using your referral code. Just the way you're clicking on the link and coming on this page, and I'm making just something little. But you can actually make 500 naira when you refer people to this place and they register and upgrade their account to affiliate. And then you can make 1,000 naira. You see it here. Refer people to V2 Express and in 500, and immediately the person upgrade his or her account to affiliate, and 1,000 naira when the person upgrade to top user. All right, so basically that's it. Once they upgrade to affiliate or top user, you make 500 naira or 1,000 naira. So go ahead and refer people to this place, and then you're making money as well through referral, and then you're making money selling data on one side. Two, you're using one stone to kill two birds. I tell you, man. So that's basically how it works, and I can tell you for sure you can make money on this platform. You can make up to 5,000 naira, no cap, no cap. You can make up to 5,000 naira. It's all about marketing. People use data to do so many things. People use data on a regular basis. So why not use this and make money for yourself? And you'll be able to better your life. It's not too much money. No be money when you use build a house, but it all depends on how you market it. You can actually take it serious as a business and market it in a very large way, and you have large number of people buying from you. Just imagine 100 people buying the same data where you are talking about how many 10 before. I say for 10 for 5,000 naira. Just imagine 100 people, do the math, and you can be sure that you're making huge amounts of money every day using your phone without no investment, without opening one shop, without doing this, without doing that, unless you just want to pay for social media adverts. All right, that's just your own. No, it's not compulsory that you do that, but I can tell you can make up to 5,000 now using this platform, guys. So please let people know about this. Share this video, like this video, because if you like this video, more people will be able to see this video, meaning that YouTube will be able to distribute this video more. So you don't want to keep this information to yourself. Please, I saw it and I brought it to you. Now remember, these people, because I mentioned it earlier, these people did not pay me. They didn't pay me for you know for this platform. They didn't pay me to talk about it. God knows they didn't pay me to talk about this platform. I'm just doing it because I feel that people need to make money. People need to leverage on platforms like this to drive away Sapa. All right. If you let A know, A will tell B, B will tell C, and that's how we're going to empower ourselves. It's that simple. So please do not relent, do not hold back from liking this video, sharing the video, and also subscribing, okay? Because that's the only way you can actually say thank you to me. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in another video. Bye for now.